Hello everyone, welcome back to Synclab Coding YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a complete demo of a house price prediction web app. Let me enter into the project folder. So I have started the application. The project has been successfully started. Let me access it in the browser. Localhost port 5000. Here you can see the dashboard. The dashboard has mainly 4 sections. Overview shows the average prices, total listings, price range, etc. When you click on the predict price, it shows a form where anyone can enter property details and get instant prediction. Analytics area shows interactive search showing price distribution and city comparisons. Here you can see. This is the price trends. Feature importance shows what factors affect price the most. Here you can see. Let me quickly show you the demo of the prediction form. So I will first select the city first. I will select Mumbai. Then I will select the property type, area square feet 1500. I'll put it here. Then I will put a location here for 3-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms. Then click the predict, and here is the output prediction. Here you can see the prediction. So this is the project. So I will provide a link in the description to download the complete source code and explanation about the project in the blog post. Thank you for watching.